When you look at the world, you are seeing math, nothing but math. People have no idea that they're looking at math. They think they're looking at matter, but matter is just semantic mathematics. Mathematics with a phenomenal appearance. You don't see the nominal mathematical syntax that underlies the appearance of mathematics. People imagine that math is nothing but marks on paper, or on a whiteboard, or blackboard, or computer screen. They have no idea that mathematics is real and alive. It's living mind, and it's everything and everywhere. All you ever encounter are mathematical thoughts. That's what everything is made of. If people could see the intelligible mathematical syntax of reality, they would know that existence is mathematical. But they can see only sensible mathematical semantics, the appearance of mathematics. The appearance of mathematics is what people take to be the appearance of anything other than mathematics. They do not believe that mathematics has an appearance. That's the whole problem. They regard math as an unreal man-made abstraction, and that means that ontological mathematical thinking never enters their thinking. They think about something else, about anything other than math. Scientists think exclusively about matter. What is science? It's induction, framed mathematically. What is philosophy? It's deduction, not framed mathematically. What is ontological mathematics? It's deduction, framed mathematically. Science was born in the Big Bang of mathematics. Science is exploded math. It's uncompactified math. Symmetry shattered by asymmetry. It's math subjected to asymmetric mathematical force, manifesting by way of space, time, matter, entropy, gravity, and temperature. No matter, physicist and mathematician James Jeans said, "The universe now becomes a finite picture whose dimensions are a certain amount of space and a certain amount of time. The protons and electrons are the streaks of paint which define the picture against its space-time background. Traveling as far back in time as we can brings us not to the creation of the picture, but to its edge. The creation of the picture lies as much outside the picture as the artist is outside his canvas." On this view, discussing the creation of the universe in terms of time and space is like trying to discover the artist and the action of painting by going to the edge of the canvas. This brings us very near to those philosophical systems which regard the universe as a thought in the mind of its creator, thereby reducing all discussion of material creation to futility. What happened to science? It once produced intellectuals. It once had thinkers in its ranks who could look beyond materialism. No longer. Science succumbed totally to groupthink. In so many ways, science is going backwards. Scientists are becoming more and more materialist, more and more specialized, and more unable to see the big picture regarding anything